What's up, guys? So we're playing the most satisfying parkour. Okay. Let's try to fucking. Oh my god, that's satisfying. Oh my god, what's that? Let's go. Oh my god, that is satisfying. The squish. He's a masterpiece, bro. The squish is a masterpiece. Oh my god, the squish. Oh, yes, the squish. Such a masterpiece. Yes. Right there. Wow, wow. Oh my, this is oh my god, I'm smarter, I'm stronger, I know what to do. Yeah, just go here. This way is good. What is this? What? Oh my god, that sounds like just a button. What's the song like that? It's almost like a button. Bop, 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 bop. I think maybe the squishies. Oh my god, that cost Robux. Oh my god, what's this? Oh, satisfying. Oh, satisfying. Mama, so, green, green light cubes equal bad. Alright, start at 3. Oh, oh. Clap, clap, clap. That's satisfying, bro. How about this is, this is, it's butter. It's butter. Cheese. Here's that cheese. Oh. That cheese. Oh my god. Oh. That is. Oh my god. Nah. Now whoever made this game, you are a goat, bro. You are a goat, bro. Because this game is so successful. Do you hear that? Oh my god, do you hear that? Oh my god. This game, I think I'm playing this game again. Oh my god. What would happen for this? What would happen for this? You get orange. Here in the crunch. I'm only here in the crunchy one sounds so it's so good. This banana peel one is so good. But it doesn't even make this up. Oh my god. Da da da. I got 1 HP right now. Just if I die. Okay, so what is that sound? Oh my god. Okay, I respawned. That's what it out last I died. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh dumpling. What's this? It's the dumpling box. Okay, so we're gonna be opening the dumpling box. Let's see what we get. I want to have something better. Give me a better dumpling. No, give me another dumpling. I want the blue sparkle one. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the most sad. Part 2. What does it mean by part 2? Hey. What does it mean by part 2? Okay, and I will do this part 2 in my next video. But this is the end, so if you want to see more, like and subscribe. However, bye guys.